Okay, so in this module, you're going to be potentially using longer tutorial videos to learn new concepts. That, as an idea, is not something that's probably ever going to go away as you continue to learn things throughout the rest of your life. There are a lot of good content providers out there that make short and easy to digest tutorial videos, but when we're using sites, especially like YouTube, to watch tutorial videos to learn how to do new things, which is a lifelong skill, YouTube actually wants their content creators to make long videos. They actually reward search results, like search results will pull up higher if the video is longer. So learning how to use a longer tutorial video is an absolutely necessary skill when it comes to learning how to do things using video instruction, which also really necessary skill. So the phrase that I would use when I'm thinking about watching a longer tutorial video to learn new things is watch, pause, try, review, repeat. And here's what that means. Let's say I'm trying to follow this Photoshop tutorial to learn this concept. So I'm going to sit here and I'm watching this tutorial, and the first thing I'm going to do is make it full screen. The second thing I'm going to do is make sure I have access to audio, like headphones or something like that, and then give it full and undivided attention. And then I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch and I'm going to pause if I need to, if there's something that I need to read on the screen. And then I'm going to keep going. And as I watch, I'm going to wait until the person does one thing. So they start by doing something. And in this case, this kind of intro here, I'm just going an example of how I might scrub through just because I'm waiting to get to the thing that I want to see. So now they opened Photoshop. And they took the image and they opened it in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is tap the escape key. And this is where we go to try. So we go watch, pause, try, review, repeat. So I watched for a second, now I paused it, now I'm going to try. So I'm going to go to Photoshop, and in this case I've already opened it up, but if I hadn't already opened it up, I would go do exactly what they did. I would go find my image, just like they did, they drug it down, and they opened it in Photoshop. Then I'm going to go back to the tutorial, I'm going to make it full screen again, and I'm going to keep going until they do the next thing. Then I'm going to repeat that process. And if I get stuck along the way, what I'm going to do is scrub backwards into the last point where I wasn't stuck and go watch and review from that point. So that's what it means to watch, pause, try, review, and then repeat that process over and over as we continue to learn whatever that content is teaching us.